Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your display orientation in Windows 11. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your display settings, for which you can right click on your mouse like this, and then you will be able to see the option of display settings right here. Click on it. And after going to your display settings, now scroll down and under the display resolution here, you can see the option of display orientation right here. And here you can see currently it is on landscape. You can click on this arrow right here. And then you can see there are three other different options like portrait, landscape flipped, or portrait flipped. I'm going to select the portrait right now. And here you can see right now it is changed into portrait. So obviously I can't work with my display being like this. So I'm just going to change it again. Here you can see like this, you can change the display orientation of your laptop. And yeah, that is it. That is all that you have to do in order to change the display orientation of your PC. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.